Hi, in this section, we are going to see about AWS S3, about how to upload a file in a standard S3 bucket. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a file with a storage type called standard thing. So let me go to AWS S3 bucket and search for the bucket which I'm looking is AWS training with a demo. Click on this bucket. You can take any bucket. So I'm taking my bucket as an example, and I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to add a file, and you can take any kind of thing. I'm just going to take this file. I'm just going to upload the file, and you can defaultly see it is a PPT file. And if you come to the properties, here you can see what kind of storage type is there. So this is a standard type. I'm going to upload it. So this is frequently you can access. Okay. And it is have a milliseconds access thing. So it is very fast and it automatically replicate into 3 availability zones. So it's highly available and the latency also very less. So in this case, I'm going to make it as a standard tier. So default it takes standard. So let it make, you can change to other tier also. As a part of use case, I'm going to upload as a standard and click on this. Other things are you can make as a default and click on upload. So it is uploading. And once it's completed, you can see what kind of storage class it went. Okay. So if you see here, I have uploaded this file, and you can see it is a standard type. So that's it on this lab. We'll see you in the next section. Thank you.